Hey guys, it's Zoe. Welcome back to another episode of Kids Cooking with Zoe. Today we're making a special pound cake for two reasons. One, it's my mom's birthday! I'm also super excited about this recipe because it is in honor of Norma Givens, who is from Greer like me. For more info about her, look down below. Miss Norma has a famous pound cake recipe, and although I couldn't make the same one, I made a paleo version instead. Here's the ingredients you need. I've already preheated my oven to 325, so now I'm going to grease my loaf pan with a little bit of coconut oil. First thing you're going to do is beat your eggs, and then you're going to add your milk, vanilla, and butter and beat until smooth. Make sure to add the honey too.
Don't forget the honey.
Now we're going to add the rest of our ingredients and beat until smooth on low. Now I'm going to let my professional taste tester try the batter. Here you go. Now you can pour the batter inside the loaf pan, which I have already done, and then smooth on top, which I have already done. And then you're going to put it in the oven for about an hour.
One hour later.
The bread is done. Snappy. Now to test and actually see if it's done, we can put a toothpick in, and if it's clean, that means the bread is done. Looks pretty clean to me. You need to let the bread completely cool before slicing it. Miss Norma would be proud. This smells amazing. Anyways, we're gonna let our professional taste tester try it now. Rating from 1 to 10. 10. Good.
Good?
Let me try it now. Spongy.
Spongy.
Well, thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye! And happy eating!
Oh, this is so good. Jeremy, please.
Why are you saying that so weird?
It's kind of salty. I feel like there's some sort of seasoning in it. Bye.